Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by killing power at the breaker and verifying with a non-contact tester so you can work safely. Once done, position a ladder and remove the grill by squeezing clips or unscrewing fasteners. Keep screws in a labeled container. You should already have a vacuum, screwdriver, and replacement duct ready. If the existing duct is crushed or disconnected, plan to replace with a rigid or semi-rigid duct. Make sure to photograph wiring and mount. You now disconnect the fan housing from the old duct by removing the clamp or unscrewing the connector. Check for backdraft damper and clean or replace if stuck. Next, measure the run to the roof or soffit, cut the duct to fit, and route it with smooth curves. Avoid 90-degree turns that reduce airflow. Once routed, tighten metal clamps, wrap seams with foil tape, and insulate any exposed attic sections to prevent condensation and heat loss. You reattach the fan housing and grill, then restore power and run the fan for 1 to 2 minutes to check airflow. Make sure you can feel steady exhaust at the roof or soffit vent. If not, inspect the exterior vent cap for blockages and ensure the damper opens freely. If airflow remains weak, make sure the duct isn't kinked or crushed. Confirm you used a full duct and tighten any loose clamps. These fixes resolve most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.